Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back and thank you for supporting me. I'm Coretta. In today's video, I will show you how I made this rhinestone t-shirt using my Cricut Explore Air 2. Want to see how I do it? Come on y'all, let's get started. For this project, you will need some 10SS Hotfix rhinestones. You will need rhinestone flock, rhinestone Hotfix transfer tape. You will need a painter's edge brush to brush your rhinestones in, and you will need a wax pencil. You will also need a t-shirt of your choice. I will be using this black Bella Canvas shirt. I will leave a link to all of the items in the description of this video. So here in Cricut Design Space, I am going to upload the rhinestone template. To upload, I am going to go to the left toolbar and select Upload. I'm going to select Upload Image. I'm going to select Browse. I am going to go to where the design is saved, and I'm going to select the SVG, and then I'm going to select Open. Once the template is uploaded, I am going to select Upload on the bottom right. And on my recent uploads, I'm going to select my image, my rhinestone design, and I'm going to select Add to Canvas. So now we have the template on the canvas, and as you can see on the layers panel, we have 3 layers to our rhinestone template. So the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure that the whole template is sized correctly. And you want to size it correctly so that when you cut your template, the size of the circles that cut will be the size of your rhinestones that you will be using. So according to the instructions, the template should be 11.164 in width and 5.527 in height. And so to check the size, I'm going to select the entire design. I'm going to select the entire design, and then I'm going to go up to the top menu, and under size, I'm going to check the width. The width says 11.164 and the height says 5.527. So now that we know that the size is correct, I'm going to go to Make It. Here is the template on the color coordinated mats. We have the black layer, which is the outline. We have the green layer, which is the bottom of the ombre design of the word Vibes. And then we have our third layer, which is the top portion of the word Vibe. There's nothing on this screen for us to do, so I'm going to select Continue. On the material screen, I am going to select my material setting. I created a material setting to cut rhinestone flock. My material setting is set at 345 pressure with 1 pass using a fine point blade. I will leave a link in the video description to my other videos showing how I created my material settings. So I will get everything cut and come back to show how I brushed in the rhinestones. So I have everything cut out, and I have my rhinestone templates placed on this flexible chopping mat here. And I got my, I get my chopping mats from either the dollar store or Amazon. and I will leave a link in the description of the video so that if you're interested in getting some of the chopping mats for your rhinestone templates, you can get them. Now to get started, I am going to pour rhinestones onto the template, and I'm going to put down a lot of rhinestones onto the rhinestone template. And I use a lot of the rhinestones on the template because with a lot of the rhinestones down, it helps you to brush in the rhinestones because they bump into each other, they flip over, and then they brush into the circles that are cut on the template. So I'm going to brush the rhinestones into the template, and I'm just going to brush in a circular motion like that, and then all of the rhinestones should brush into the template. And as I'm brushing, I'm also going to be removing stones off of the template, which would be the excess stones that I will be removing off of the template. Next, I'm going to use my wax pencil to place rhinestones into the areas where no rhinestone fell into the circle. And I'm also going to use it to remove extra rhinestones that are also on the template. The next step is I am going to use the Hotfix transfer tape to pick up the rhinestones from the template. Now, when you apply the Hotfix transfer tape, you want to commit, because once you place it down, you cannot pick it up to make any adjustments. And so you just want to make sure that you have it in a U shape, and then you just take and drop the Hotfix rhinestone tape down onto the rhinestones. Now I'm going to remove the transfer tape with the rhinestones on it from the template. And you want to go slow, because if you leave a rhinestone, if a rhinestone doesn't get picked up, you can always put your tape back down, press where the rhinestone is, and then continue to remove your rhinestone tape. I'm going to do the same process for all the other layers, and I will come back when all the layers are ready to be pressed. So here I am at the heat press, and I'm ready to press my first layer. I've already length rolled my shirt and pre-pressed it to remove the moisture. So now I'm just going to place down my first layer. So once I have everything lined up and placed correctly, I'm going to press the first layer at 350 degrees for 12 seconds. Next, I'm going to place my second layer into the first layer, and I'm going to place it down, and I want to make sure that everything is lined up correctly. And I also want to make sure that none of the stones are overlapping each other. So this is my second layer. I have my second layer in, and I am going to press it at 350 degrees for 12 seconds as well. Now I am going to place my last layer in, and again I'm going to place my layer into the first and second layer, making sure that I do not overlap any of the stones that is already on the shirt. So I'm just going to line everything up, make sure everything is lined up correctly. And then I'm going to press it at 350 degrees for 12 seconds. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's cute. What do you guys think? You think it's cute? What do you guys think? Cute? I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, guys, that's all for now. I hope that you were able to follow along with my process. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will respond back. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.